I'll tell you right now. I'll tell you no, I'm just saying, don't you see that cheese, I will put hands on you. I really want to hear that.
Ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates of all ages. It is I, your captain, speak a storage auction pirate, and it is pirate time. We are here at the flea market. It's a Saturday morning, and we are going to be selling a lot of stuff. How much for what's that? Just that one? 35. We are selling here in Concord. I'll give you a run through when we get everything unloaded. It's a beautiful day. Look at that, beautiful. So I gotta go find the Halloween guy real quick because it's time to shop a little bit. And there was a guy selling Halloween last week, and then he didn't come back out. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna take a look. Trying to get unloaded here. We're at 65 bucks so far today. We got a nice little booth going here. It's just going to be a matter of, do they come or do they not? But it's a Saturday. We've spent a lot and we need to make back some expense money and stuff, so we're here. I only kept the good stuff, and that's in my storage.
You probably had 400 pairs of shoes.
I wouldn't say 400. It's like a bit stretching. She had a lot of shoes. She was a kind of a rich lady. She was a very prominent professor at UC Berkeley, maybe, I think is what it was.
She did?
I think so. I think so. And she had a lot of celebrity friends. She had like photos from like famous singers and stuff, I think, or something weird. They were her buddies. I don't think I actually made that in the video. I think I overlooked it and then they disappeared, but it is what it is. Hopefully my other guy don't watch my videos and see that I sold them for $420 after telling him $1,500. But the reason why he didn't get a sale either is he didn't explain to me the difference between a 2200 version and that either, so that didn't help.
Yeah, there's a difference.
He just went
and all pieces
and walked
and parts,
out.
And that's probably what I'll do. But I might try to fix, like I said, just try to fix that, rebuild that corner, and then paint them black.
And then put another cover on there.
I would just take that cover off and sell them without covers. Sell that one cover by itself because it's a that's
fair
probably
enough.
worth 150.
It seems like people want to put these blue and black ones on there.
Yeah, they came with that. That's the ones that were in the studios. They had this. Yeah, that was a studio. Anyway, I'll pick it up a little bit. Thank you.
Okay.
We're not advertising these masks for a while.
Well, that's what I said. I need a head. So, ladies and gentlemen, not what I was hoping to get, but here's what I learned, because I've known that guy for years. If you remember correctly, long time ago, I bought the FBI unit, right, for $400, and they had those rugs, and I got so many comments, you're an idiot, you can't get anything for those rugs. He bought the rugs for like $500 for the 2 rugs that paid for that FBI unit. But he's been a long time customer of mine. He knows JBL very well, and it's always important when people know things to continue business and be friends. So I had one other guy, I told him $1,500, but the reason why is if you look these up, they're called JBL model L100 Centuries. There's a diagonal, right? Like this is here and this one is here, or vice versa. They're not straight up and down because this is the last issue of them. They're still very nice, very, very nice. But he knows his stuff. He gave me $450 for those. He'll part them out and we're all happy. That's just that's half the money back on that storage unit, so that's pretty nice. All right, Jack let me borrow Deborah, and we're gonna see if Deborah can hold the masks on, because we need to sell some. I don't think anybody knows we're selling masks. Let's see if we can contract.
Break down and buy yourself for $450 now. Right on the boat slot.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's boat slot's nice. There we go. That's better.
This is pretty cool. Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh. That is tight. ¿Cuántos?
This is $10 for you.
I'll go 10.
¿Ah?
I'll go 10.
Ahí está, mira, así se ruge. Así se habla. Te digo barato.
See, look, me. How do it?
Oh, ya.
Caliente 17.
Sí.
Y no me pidas rebaja, porque yo estoy de modo bueno ahorita, y él sabe.
All right, so naturally there's only one reason why I bought this. This will end up in the warehouse or something. Show me the booty. Pirate specials right there. That's what's up. Actually, I'm gonna probably put that in the back of the auction. Now, little known fact, but my second youngest, Anaya, she is a diehard Harry Potter fan. She loves Harry Potter, and granted it's missing the thing. She loves it. This will go up in her room. I can almost promise she'll use that. Then the little woman wanted a fog machine. She got a fog machine. We're doing a little cool decoration, not too much, not too little, but that's something she wanted. I paid 20 bucks for that, so that right there is a good deal. And this right here, I'm excited about this, even though it's the bad guy. Look at that. It's a CD player. I don't know, I just like it. It's Pirates of the Caribbean. Very excited about that. And then these were only 5 bucks for 3 of these little tombstones. I think we're getting a nice little decoration set going on, because we haven't really spent a lot on continuing on. I got this for 10 earlier too, so that's pretty cool. I guess this garbage shirt came from somebody. Jack, did you put this garbage in my truck? $3.75 for both of these now.
$3.75. Take both. That's my lowest. No lower. I help you get them out. I help you get them out.
$200.
I'll help you take them out low.
I know she's gonna do you. I know that.
Beautiful pieces.
Expensive.
See?
They're nice. I mean,
Nice.
I go to you go to Alameda Flea Market?
Uh-huh.
Do you? You go to Alameda?
Uh-huh. Alameda is...
The flea market?
No, never.
No? Oh, tomorrow. The first every month. Tomorrow they have one.
Oh.
The antique.
A good one. Antique flea market.
Oh.
But I don't know if my weight was...
Yeah, the company you get stuff. Yeah.
I'll tell you right now. I'll tell you. I just said, don't you see fat cheeks. I will put hands on you.
I will.
I really want to hear that.
What amusement park is not complete without a pirate ship?
First time riding a horse?
Sure you don't want to go on one? Oh, you can't go on it, Michael. Is there not a nice horse right here? Michael, can you make that sound while doing it? Look at this little guy right here. Why do goats look so creepy and scary? No, it's like, look at his eyes. The goat tried to steal my paper clip.
Oh no, not the clip, not the clip, not the clip.
What's up, evil guy?
He ate it. He ate the bird.
No, I want the ostrich.
That's what I thought it was. Yeah, I said emu apparently.
Because she's an emu, she would know.
I don't know how to
I wonder
I
if
have another character. Hi.
Let me get this guy. Right here, come on. Come on. You don't want this? What, are you not hungry no more? Okay.